Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Leo English channel. My name is Leo Darin, and today we have a very useful episode. We'll learn how to speak English without stopping or pausing too much. And guess what? I'm not alone. Today we have a special guest, my student, Emily. Hi, Emily.
Hi, Leo. Thank you for having me. I'm so happy to join this podcast.
It's great to have you here. Are you ready to help our listeners speak more fluently?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Emily, when you speak English, do you sometimes stop or feel nervous?
Yes, Leo. I often pause when I forget a word or when I'm afraid to make a mistake.
That's very normal. Many beginners feel the same. But we have solutions. Let's share them step by step. First, use short, easy sentences. Repeat after me. I like music.
I like music.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study English.
I study English.
See? Easy sentences help you speak without pausing.
Yes, I feel more confident already.
Next tip. Think in English, not in your native language.
How do I do that?
Start with small things. When you drink tea, say, "This is tea." When you walk, say, "I am walking."
So just describe my actions in English?
Exactly. And do it every day. Emily, do you ever talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes in my room.
Good. Practice alone is very powerful. Try
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Well done! See? No pausing. Now, let's talk about filler words. When you don't know what to say, you can use words like, well, let me think. I'm not sure, but...
Can I try?
Of course.
I like painting and, well, I want to speak English better.
Perfect. You kept going. That's fluency. Okay, Emily, now it's time for a speaking challenge. Talk about yourself for 30 seconds, no long pauses.
Okay. My name is Emily. I am from Bamyan. I am a student. I like music and drawing. I study English every evening. Sometimes I pause when I speak, but I want to speak better and faster.
That was amazing, Emily. You spoke clearly and you didn't stop.
Thank you, Leo. That felt great.
Now let's repeat some helpful sentences. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I mistake, but I keep doing.
I mistake, but I keep doing.
I speak every day to get better.
I speak every day to get better.
Wonderful work today, Emily, and great job to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you all. You can speak English. Don't be afraid.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect English. Just speak. A little every day, and you will improve. This was the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Darin.
And I'm Emily.
Improve your English with us. Subscribe our channel, Leo English Channel.